Guys, it's part 2 of me just found a float. Whoa! No way!
Compact and accessible, but can only support basic mathematical functions.
Fudge, I don't want to break it. LG cause.
Apple's landmark Apple.
I think the green screen. Curse these flipping green screens. Whoa.
6502 processing unit, which is 4,400 times less processing power than the most recent Apple Mac Pro, 4 gigahertz. This desktop also boasts a whopping 1.5 terabyte storage. You need 18,750,000 8-inch floppy disks to own that. The Mac Pro is
Okay.
the most powerful supercomputer in the world.
I didn't have this. Mine was like a water screen.
250 million gigabytes. It is so fast that it's measured in floating point operations per second, or flops. The Summit is capable
On school, I'll have it.
To give you
Edit.
an idea of how much processing power that is, it recently became the first supercomputer to reach XAO during Genova.
Okay, that was kind of weird. And that's the real life time. Bunch. Bunch. The doggy feels like it's kite, but see what's on this LG Cosmo 2? It looks like an LG Cosmos 2.
IBM then announced the first real laptop computer, the $2,000, $4,700 post-inflation PC convertible, which had 256 kilobyte storage and a slightly more improved 4.77 megahertz CPU, but which could also crucially run on battery power. Apple then entered the laptop market with the first Macintosh portable in 1989, which had a 40 megabyte hard drive and
Oh my god.